Hey there, thank you for coming to my line dance channel. My name is Candy Sherwin. This tutorial is for a dance called Washed Up in Austin, choreographed by Katie Robinson and Dasha. It's actually Katie Robinson's adaptation for this dance. This dance was done in Dasha's video, and then there was a TikTok on it that became kind of viral. And there are different versions of this dance by different people all over the place. This is the version that we do here in Southern California for the most part, so I thought I would share it with you. It is a 32 count, high improver level, 4 walls, no tags, restarts. I'm going to turn around. That's Scully. He is resting. So here we go. We're going to start with our right foot with 2 switches. We have heel, step, point, and then you're going to take your right leg and flick it front as you slap it and point it and slap it. Now here's how that works with counts. It's very fast. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Right foot is going to lead you into a pivot turn. Step forward on the right, do a half a turn over your left shoulder, all the way on your left, 6 o'clock. Step forward on your right again, all the way back to 12 o'clock, all the way on your left. Those are even counts of 5, 6, 7, 8, but the first 4 are super fast. Here we go with counts, 6, 7, 8, heel switch, and point, slap, right, turn, left, right, turn, left. The second count of 8, 2 Dorothies or wizards, whichever one you call them. They are going to go at diagonals. You're going to step on 1, behind with a lock, 2 and, that's the Dorothy, 3, 4 and. Then finishing it off by a little V step where you step slightly out and forward and out, back together, back together. Second count of 8, 2 Dorothies counts as 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go back to the top. 6, 7, 8. We've got heel and a point slap, half turn left, 7, 8. Dorothy, 1, 2 and 3, 4. Step it out, bring it in together. That's half the dance. We're still at our same wall, 12 o'clock. Going on to the third count of 8, which starts with a toe, heel, stomp, left foot, toe, heel, stomp, switches, heel, switch, heel, clap, twice. Counts as 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. This is going to lead you right into your fourth count of 8, which is another half turn, but this time we're going to go over the right shoulder. Now, because you've got your right foot here, we have to do a little ball step to get there. So we're going to go and 1, turn to your right foot, 2, 6 o'clock, step left foot, 3, turn over your right shoulder again, 4. Now, the left foot is going to heel grind us to our new wall. We're going to tap that heel down. As we grind it, we rotate and put our weight back on our right foot. Coaster step, back, together, forward. Coaster again, back, together, forward for my newer dancers. So this last count of 8 goes and 1, step, 2, 3, 4, heel, 5, turn, rock back, 6, 7 and 8. I almost rocked back so far I went down. One more time on that part. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You are here, ready to start with heel switch, boom, bum, and go. So we are going to go back to the beginning, and I will do 2 walls, okay? Here we go. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, slap, out, slap, half, turn. Now we do the Dorothy on 1, 2 and 3. V step, 5, 6, 7, toe, heel, stomp, oops, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, right, left, to the right, left, here's your heel grind, 5, coaster, 7 and switch, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and half, turn, 7, Dorothy out, 1, 2 and 3, V step, 5, 6, 7, toe, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, heel and a heel, clap, clap, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and then from here you're just going to do 5, 6, 7, and 8, and you're ready to go. Okie doke. So we are going to try this with a little bit of music. Hopefully you will be successful. Hopefully I will be successful. So let's get it started. Ready, baby? So excited. Boy. Here we go. On 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 4, and turn. North E. B. Toe. Switch and clap. Turn right. Heel grind. Coaster. Beginning. Right, left, right, left, right. How about Indian? Toe. And turn. Right. Beginning. All right, get a little cardio on that one. What do you think? How did we do? Was it good? He answered. Did you hear that? That was awesome. All right, well, thank you guys so much for coming again to see this video. Please spread the word. I'd love it if you'd share the video, like the video, comment on the video. And of course, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. If you're in the Los Angeles area, look me up and find out where I'm teaching that night or that week, and I would love to see you. And I will hope to see you on the dance floor. Thanks again.